Happy Tuesday and welcome back to another weekly stamping collaboration. These are the manicures that we've prepared and you can find links to everybody's video in the description box below. Let's get started. As the base of my design, I'm wearing my brand new Color Club nail polishes, which I shared with you guys in last week's video. These are called Fingers Crossed, Eternal Beauty, Miss Bliss, Over the Moon, and Angel Kiss. Since we have to use a background for our design, I decided to try stamping with another one of the Color Club polishes. This one is called Harp On It. It'll be a subtle stamping, but I hope it'll show over these colors. The background image I chose is from the H. La Cosedora stamping plate called Snowflake, and this is the image I want to try to use. This is what the plate looks like on the back. Her stamping plates are acrylic, so you have to clean them with non-acetone nail polish remover. But they're all filled with beautiful images, very unique designs, and lots of variety. You get full nail images as well as individual smaller images, and the alphabet as well as numbers. I love this plate. Over the background, I want to try to stamp this little Christmas tree and these little leaves. This is from the Life is a Party stamping plate. This one is also from H. La Cosedora. This is what the back looks like on this one. And remember that you can always use my discount code Jenny10 to save 10% off your order on H. La Cosedora's website, which is hlacosedora.com. I'll have it linked in the description box of this video. Let's do a quick test to see if it works. We apply the polish, scrape off the excess, and pick it up with the stamper. Then we stamp it directly onto the nail. I can definitely see it over the dark purple, but we'll see how it looks over the other colors. That actually is amazing. And I'm using a cotton ball with nail polish remover to clean the plate. I can also clean my scraper card with it. If you're enjoying this video, leave a thumbs up to let me know. I cleaned the stamper on my lint roller. Now we'll do the last nail. It's hard to see over the green, but it's subtle, but I see it, it's there. And over this one, it's definitely not gonna show, so I'll try a different color for this one. Let's try the blue one. That's pretty. I'll use a piece of tape to do as much cleanup as possible, and whatever's left over that I can't get with the tape, I'll use a nail art brush dipped in nail polish remover. This is what we have so far, and I really like how it's subtle and delicate, but it looks so pretty you can still see it. I think I'm just going to stamp the little tree, and I'm going to use my white Funky Fingers polish from Five Below. This one is called Gesso. I use a piece of tape to remove the parts of the image that I don't need. And now I'm going to use the different colors to go over the white. The green over the purple. Now I use the blue over the pink. And now the pink over the blue. And finally the purple over the green. I dimmed the lights just a little bit so we can see the holo a little bit better. The final step is to apply a top coat, and I'm wondering whether I should do a glossy top coat or a matte top coat. Can you guess which one I'm going to choose? If you said matte, you were right. I'm going to use my matte top coat from Shop Miss A. Let's see what the matte top coat looks like. As it's drying, it looks like a frosted finish, and I love the way it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Let me know if you prefer the glossy or the matte top coat. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!